Hey everybody, it's Chris with Longevity, brought to you by our proud sponsor DNC Properties, and welcome to the channel. Today on our episode we got a special unboxing of the new Ryobi 2000 PSI electric power washer. We're going to get this bad boy unboxed and we're going to go ahead and test it out on one of our rental properties that we have here today, and we're going to show you how this thing works and we're going to see how much power this little thing really has. Alright, so let's jump right into this and see what we got in the box here. Also too, this is a brushless mower, excuse my French, a brushless motor, which is really, really cool. Even though it's not battery operated, it's not part of their 18-volt system, but you're still going to get the longevity of a brushless mower, less maintenance, and hopefully it will last a lot longer too, seeing as which I like the word longevity as our company name. So, obviously when you open the box, Ryobi, they like to show you all their different social media followings. You can go ahead and follow them on Facebook, Ryobi, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube as well. And let's see what we got here. Looks like we've got a 50-foot hose. This is rated for 2000 PSI, and then keep in mind you don't want to keep these hoses in any temperature that exceeds over 140 degrees Fahrenheit, because it will damage them and you could risk them starting to crack. And cracking means leaks, okay? We don't want that. Make sure you have your nice handy dandy knife, whether it's a Milwaukee knife, a DeWalt knife, whatever floats your boat. So the quality feels really good, I'm not gonna lie. This feels like really, really good material. Very pleased. This one also comes with a metal wand, not plastic. The handle's plastic, but the wand itself is metal. When you start getting pressure washers that have plastic wands, you got to be careful because they're prone to break because the quality is just not there. So far I'm pretty happy. Ryobi did really good on this one. They did their homework, as I would say. So we put the gun together. By the way, we've got my wife on the camera. She's filming today, but she's going to be the one testing this in action because she is the ultimate pressure washer. Pressure washer. Is that how you say it?
Sure.
Okay. Alright, so let's tighten this up. We'll have to see if that needs to be tighter. It's got an easy release system here for the nozzle and the different tips. We'll check out the tips when we get there. So let's set the gun aside. We've got the automatic soap dilution tank. So you can put your soap, and they have a special nozzle that you can actually put on this power washer. And what it does is once you put the soap inside the pressure washer, it allows you to spray the soap onto what you're cleaning. Then you can switch the mode over, power wash it off, let the chemicals do the work, help you clean. Pretty good technology, very nice system, I like it. Okay, we've got two wheels. These are some nice rims, you know what I mean? Those are looking good, huh? Looks like they're low profile tires too, for looks. 5-spoke rims, these are just badass, pretty cool. And they're like gunmetal gray too, pretty sick, huh? Here, box, styrofoam.
You just hit yourself in the face.
Right. Now, let's get on one knee here. I'm gonna put this box here because we don't want to lose anything. And this is our little baggie here. It's got all of our literature in it. I like to keep the literature because it's got your directions. That way we can figure out how to put this bad boy together. And then, cool, I can register with Ryobi to win a $10,000 Home Depot gift card. Pretty cool. Ryobi's never sent me anything for free. Too bad, it's a shame. I spent a lot of money with them. No love. Okay, this is your operator's manual. And I didn't really say anything to you guys first, but the model number on this is, what's the model number, honey? Looks like US 1001-187-545, and then in Canada it's going to be 1000-828-585. That is the model number, I believe, on on this power washer here. We'll double check that when we get to the actual unit and we'll see what's going on, okay? This is their turbo nozzle, okay? This is gonna give you up to 50% more cleaning power, as it says, because of the way that it shoots out. So we're really excited to test this nozzle out. It also comes with, I'm not sure what this is. This looks like it's for the soap, yeah? Is it a soap nozzle? If anybody out
Kind of
there,
looks like it, yeah.
comment below in the comment box. I'm pretty sure this is a soap nozzle. I'm not sure, but we'll figure it out. And then it comes with one adaptable nozzle here. And keep in mind, you can buy actual different nozzles too at Home Depot. They have a couple third-party companies that sell them. Make sure you read though to make sure your power washer is compatible with the correct bits, you know, because you don't want to get the wrong nozzle and it doesn't fit, right? DeWalt makes power washers and there's multiple companies that make them, so you have to make sure they fit your model. So be careful when you're out there buying new tips. Okay, some hardware. Okay, a little hardware here. It looks like that's it there. So let's get this back open and let's get to the real exciting part. Whoa, look at this. Look at that. I mean, it already just feels, the quality just feels great. So it looks like here, we got a little spot for our, boom, our little nozzles. Look at that. How cool, huh? Boom! Sick nasty. 1.2 GPMs, 2000 PSI, premium electric pressure washer with a brushless motor, excuse my language. And here we go, guys. The main event. What we've all been waiting for. Wow, look at that. That's sick, huh? Super, super excited. So, this looks like it comes off pretty easy for transportability. So if you got to transfer from a job site, locks right in. And what these pieces of hardware are here, these are for the tires, I'm assuming. Would you say that too, honey?
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Okay. Now make sure when you're putting these on, you put them on right. Okay? Don't jump the gun and do it wrong. So, pull out your directions. And let's see real fast. Okay. So these little clips, what these do is they hold the tire on. So it looks like this will go like this. Take the nozzle, push it through the tire here. Again, take your clip. Look at that. Give me the other way, honey. So it actually fastens pretty cool. It actually has this little O here. So what the O does is once it locks in, it allows it to sit in here so it doesn't rub, so the wheels can roll, right? Pretty cool, huh? So you take this, put it in here. Oops. Push it nice and easy like that, and then you find the hole, just like your first time making love with your girl. Find the hole, bada bing, bada boom.
Jesus.
Right? Okay. Now, what's next? This looks like it mounts relatively easy. Right on here, you push down. Very simple, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This looks like it goes.
Yeah.
Let's see, right here. Maybe I should read the directions. Okay, and the screw here is for this clip right here. Where does this go? Huh? Any help? Oh, right here. So this goes right here on this side.
On the side, yeah. It's for the wand storage. That's the wand storage bracket.
So screw that in nice and tight. Grab your impact or whatever you want to do to tighten that up later, or tighten it by hand. And what's really cool, I think what was really a deciding factor why we wanted to go with this model is it has a feature where you can roll the hose up. Which for us is pretty important because we're on the go, we're always on the move, different job sites, so transportability is very important for us. So that was a deciding factor, I would say, for us. Right on?
Yes.
So let's see here.
I think it goes in the back right here.
The hose goes there. Oh, I see it here.
Mm-hmm.
That goes in here. There's two little seals, so make sure you push the seals in. There's little O-rings, little gaskets that keep it from leaking. Right? Tighten it up. Sounds like it's tight. And then I'm assuming, I don't know how we're gonna roll this up so that I have to read the directions after that. Let's see.
I think it comes, you take it off when you do it.
Alright, well anyways guys, that was the unboxing of the new power washer. Stay tuned, we'll be right back and we'll show you guys this in action so you can see it work, alright? We'll see you in just a minute. Alright everybody, welcome back. We're here. We got wifey testing out the power washer. Very easy to hook up. It's very, very quiet. I don't think OSHA's regulations for decibels is anything to be worried about.
You want to do a test right here? Something really dirty?
So we're gonna, I guess, test this out. Let me see. And this is no soap, straight water. Wow, look at that. Pretty good. Well, I'd say it's a success. I think we bought ourselves a damn good power washer. And we're going to get back in here. We're going to have some fun and finish power washing this house. Thank you for tuning in. We'll see you guys soon. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the like button. If you have any comments or any questions, please hit us in the comment box below. We'll be more than happy to answer any of your questions and take you guys along for the ride and journey of our company and what we do every day for a living. Have a nice day and be safe out there, America. We'll see you on our next one.